In the last class, we have completed operations on matrices. So now we will enter into the exercise 3.2. So we will do some problems. The 3.2 exercise question number 1. Let capital A is equal to 2, 4, 3, 2. It is 2 by 2 matrix. B is also 2 by 2 matrix. 1, 3, minus 2, 5. And the C is another matrix, which is also 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns. Minus 2, 5, 3, 4. Find each of the following. Find each of the following. Submit. A plus B, A minus B, 3A minus C, AB and BA. We have to find out. Coming to the first one. First one, A plus B equal to, which is the operation here, addition of two matrices. Capital A is equal to 2, 4, 3, 2, capital A matrix, and addition plus B matrix 1, 3, minus 2, 5. Both matrices are same order. So now let us find the addition. So what is the addition matrix here? How to add two matrices? By adding the corresponding elements or corresponding positions must be added in both matrices. First row, first element, here first row, first element, here first row, first element. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 2 plus 1, 1 element, 4 plus 3, another element. Now coming to the second row elements. Here second row first element, for the second matrix, second row first element, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 plus 2 minus 3 minus 2. At the same time, last element. So 2, here also 5. So 2 plus 5, same positions must be added. It is equal to 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 plus 5, 7. It is also a 2 by 2 matrix. It is also a 2 by 2 matrix. Next, coming to the second bit. What is the second bit here? A minus B. Difference of two matrices. Capital A as this 2, 4, 3, 2, 2, 4, 3, 2 minus B matrix is what? 1, 3, minus 2, 5. Difference between two matrices. Same thing. In the addition, what we did? Addition of two matrices by adding corresponding elements. Here, difference between two matrices, corresponding elements, corresponding positions in both matrices must be subtracted. It is equal to 2, here first element, here also first element, 2 minus 1, next one, next element, here 4, here 3. So first row, second element, here first row, second element, 4 minus 3. Next coming to the second row. Second row elements is what? First element is 3, minus of minus 2, minus of minus 2. So here third position, here also minus 2. Second row first element, here also second row first element. Coming to the last element, 2 minus 5. So which is equal to 2 minus 1, 1, 4 minus 3, 1, 3 minus of minus, minus into minus plus, 3 plus 2, 5, 2 minus 5, minus 3, which is also 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns. Now coming to the third subbit, 3A minus C. So 3A minus C, which is equal to, observe, 3A means what? It is the matrix multiplied by a scalar. Here 3 is scalar or constant value, first capital A matrix multiplied with 3. So 3 into, what is capital A matrix? 2, 4, 3, 2 minus C is what? Minus 2, 5, 3, 4. 3, 4, which is equal to, so scalar multiplied by the given matrix according to the operation of matrices, which is one of the type scalar matrix multiplication. So 3 is the scalar multiplied, this 3 value multiplied with all the elements. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, minus, so minus 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 4, which is equal to, again it is the difference between two matrices. So what we have to take here, corresponding positions must be subtracted. So 6 minus of minus, 6 minus of, here first element, here also first element, 6 minus of minus 2, completed one element. Coming to the second element, first row second element, 12 minus, here also second element, 12 minus 5, 12 minus 5. So next one, 9, second row first element, 9 minus, here 9, here 3, 9 minus 3. Next one, last element, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4. Just corresponding elements must be subtracted. 6 minus of minus, minus into minus, plus 6 plus 2, 8, 12 minus 5, 7, 9 minus 3, 6, 6 minus 4, 2. So now, so 1, 2, 3 subjects over, which are addition, difference and matrix multiplied by scalar and the difference with the third matrix, these 3 over. Now coming to the fourth subject, AB, product of two matrices. What is the meaning of AB? Multiplication of two matrices A and B. I already told clearly, matrix multiplication is only possible with both matrices are square matrices. Both matrices are square matrices, and also first matrix number of columns equal to second matrix number of rows must be equal. Then only product is possible. Otherwise, product not possible. Remember. So here A and B both are square matrices. Here product is exists. 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Minus 2, 5, which is equal to, this is also 2 by 2 matrix, this is also 2 by 2 matrix. Both matrices are square matrices. Number of rows equal to number of columns. So here product is possible. So how to multiply? The last class I told clearly how to multiply two matrices. So let us take first row. First row. The first matrix, first row, second matrix, let us take first column, so 2 into 1, so 2 into 1, 2 into 1, first row, first element, here first column, first element, 2 into 1, plus, 2 into 1 plus, 4 into minus 2, 4 into minus 2, first element over, according to the definition of matrix multiplication, sum of the product of ith row in the first matrix and the jth column in the second matrix. Now, first row, first column completed. Now coming to the first row with second column. 2 into 3, 2 into 3 plus 4 into 5. 4 into 5. 4 into 5. So, first row with first column multiplication over. First row with second column also completed. Now coming to the second row elements. This is second row elements in the first matrix. Coming to the first matrix, second row elements. These elements multiplied with the second matrix with first column elements. So now corresponding positions. Here first element, here also first element. Here second element, here also second element. 3 into 1, 3 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 2 completed. So now second row with second column. Second row with second column elements. So 3 into 3, 3 into 3 plus 2 of 5. So don't put commas and you have to put separate space for each and every element. This is one element, this is second element, third element, fourth element, totally 4 elements. It is equal to 2 into 1, 2, plus into minus, minus, 4 2s are 8, 2 3s are 6, plus 4 5s are 20, 3 1s are 3, plus into minus, minus, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, plus 2 5s are 10, which is equal to 2 minus 8 minus 6, 6 plus 20, 26, 3 minus 4 minus 1, 9 plus 10, 19, which is order 2 cross 2. So here both product of two matrices are same orders, then the resultant matrix becomes 2 by 2 matrix. Now coming to the fifth bit, BA matrix. BA matrix. Remember, in the product of matrices, commutative does not exist. AB is not equal to BA. Here AB's answer is this one. It is not equal to BA answer. So B equal to, what is B matrix? So 1, 3, minus 2, 5. A matrix. A matrix 2, 4, 3, 2. So both matrices orders. This is also 2 by 2 matrix. This is also 2 by 2 matrix. Then the resultant matrix also 2 by 2 matrix. It is equal to, again same procedure. First row with first column. First row with first column elements multiply. So 1 into 2 plus 3 into 3. First row with first column over. Next one, first row with second column elements. 1 into 4 plus 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Next coming to the second row with first column. So minus 2 into 2 plus 5 into 3. Second row with first column elements. Minus 2 into 2 plus 5 into 3. Next one, space. Second row with second column. Minus 2 into 4. Minus 2 into 4 plus 5 into 2. Which is also 2 by 2 matrix. And don't forget, after multiplication, first element in the first column, first row, and the first element in the second column or first column, we have to put plus. So 1 into 2 plus 3 3s are 9, 4, 1 4s are 4, plus 3 2s are 6, minus 2 into 2, minus 4, plus 3 5s are 15, minus 8, plus 5 2s are 10. Which is equal to 2 plus 9, 11, 4 plus 6, 10, minus 4 plus 15, that value is 11, minus 8 plus 10, that is equal to 2, which is also 2 cross 2. Remember, here AB matrix how much? Minus 6, 26, minus 1, 19. And here BA matrix elements are completely different. And both matrices are same orders. Then AB is not equal to BA. So, in the matrix multiplication property, we have seen clearly matrix multiplication commutative property does not exist depending on the orders. So, now coming to the second problem. First bit, compute indicated products. This is one matrix 1, 2, 3, which is a column matrix. 2, 3, 4. This matrix is row matrix. Column matrix means it has only single row. Row matrix means it has only single row. So let capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Which is the matrix? Column matrix. What is the order for these 3 rows and one column 3 cross 1, and B is another matrix, B equal to 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, which is the row matrix. It contains only single row. So which is the order? One row and 3 columns, one row and 3 columns, 1 cross 3. So now, what is the question here? Compute the indicated products. What is the value of product of two matrices? So AB equal to, let us think, here product exists or not? According to the condition, AB equal to, here first matrix columns, this is columns, first matrix columns, while coming to the second matrix, rows are equal. First matrix columns, second matrix rows are equal, then product is possible. So you can find out clearly, if these two values are not equal, product is not possible. So 1, 2, 3. A matrix. And the B matrix is what? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. It is equal to. Then the resultant matrix, product of AB matrix becomes, you will get 3 cross 3. Answer becomes, order is 3 cross 3. Totally you will get 9 elements in the AB product. Totally 9 elements. Resultant matrix becomes 3 cross 3. So first row multiply. This is first row elements. First row, according to multiplication, first row elements multiply with first column, second column and third column as it is. First row with first column, 1 into 2, 1 into 2. First row, first column completed, because there is no another elements in the first column, only single element. Here there is no elements, first row and first column, over. Now first row with second column, 1 into 3, 1 into 3 completed, 1 into 4, 1 into 4. First row, first column, second column, third column completed. First row over. Now coming to the second row elements. This is second row. Second row values multiplied in the second matrix. First column, second column, third column as it is. 2 into 2. 2 into 2. 2 of 3. Second row, third column. 2 into 4. Don't put plus here. Don't put plus here. This is completely different. Now coming to the third row. Third row with first column. So 3 into 2. 3 3s are 3 into 3 here. Next one 3 into 4. 3 into 4. Which is equal to 1 into 2. 2. 1 into 3. 3. 1 into 4. 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So what is the order for this here? 3 rows and 3 columns. Observe, 3 rows and 3 columns in the part of 2 matrices. Now coming to the second bit. This is one matrix. What is the order for this? First matrix order. 2. How many rows here? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows and 2 columns. For this second matrix, how many rows here? 2 rows and 3 columns. Is the product is possible or not? Here, first matrix columns coming to the second matrix rows are equal. First matrix columns, second matrix rows are equal. Then the resultant matrix order is 3 cross 3. So let us take this is capital A matrix, this is capital B matrix. Now find out AB is equal to 2, 1, 3, 2, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, and the second matrix 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 2, 1. So then the resultant matrix must be 3 cross 3 only, totally 9 elements. So AB equal to multiply first row with first column, 2 ones are 2, plus into minus, minus 1 into 1, 1. First row, first column completed. Come into the second row. First row with second column. 2 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 2, 2. Coming to the third column, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into 1, 1. First row, first column, second column, third column, completed. Now coming to the second row with, this is second row with first column, second column, third column as it is. 3 ones are 3, plus into minus, minus, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Now second row with second column, 3 zeros are 0, plus 2 twos are 4. Now 3 ones are 3, plus 2 ones are 2. Second row with 1, 2, 3 completed. Now coming to the third row. Third row is first column, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, plus into minus, minus, 1 ones are 1. Now second column, minus 1 into 0, 0, plus 1 into 2, 2. Now coming to the third row with third column, minus 1, minus into plus, minus 1 into 1, 1, plus 1 ones are 1, which is equal to 2 minus 1, 1, 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 0 plus 4, 4, 3 plus 2, 5, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, 0 plus 2, this value is 2, minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0, this value is totally 0, which is also 3 cross 3. Product exists. Next, coming to the third problem. If A equal to, this is one matrix, which is the order is 3 cross 3. And B matrix order 3 rows and 3 columns. This is also 3 cross 3. Then compute 3A minus 5B. Here scalar 3M is what? Matrix multiplication in the capital A matrix by scalar is 3 minus 5B. Second matrix multiplied by 5. Here 5 is also scalar, constant value. 3 and 5 both are constant value. First find out 3A value and 5B value. So now 3A minus 5B equal to, so 3 into given matrix capital A. So 2 by 3, 1, 5 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3, and 7 by 3, 2, 2 by 3, minus 5 into second matrix. Second matrix is what? 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 5, 7 by 5, 6 by 5, and 2 by 5. Orders are same, which is equal to. So here 3 is multiplication to the all the elements. 3 multiply each and every element. 3 cancel. 3 cancel, that is 2. 3 ones are 3. Here also 3 with this value. 3 cancel, that is equal to 5. Next one, second row elements. 3 cancel. 3 ones are 3. 3 cancel. 3 twos are 6. 3 cancel. This value is equal to 3 cancel. This is equal to how much? This is 2. Next one, 3 cancel, which is equal to 4. Next, multiply with third row elements. 3 cancel, which is equal to 7. 3 twos are 6. 3 cancel, that is equal to 2. Over minus 5 multiply with all the elements for the second matrix. 5 cancel, which is equal to 2. 5 cancel. How much? 3. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Next, this one cancel. 1, which is equal to 2. 5 cancel. So every element multiply with 5. 5 cancel, which is equal to 4. 5 cancel, which is equal to 7. 5 cancel, which is equal to 6. 5 cancel, which is equal to 2. Which is equal to 2. So now, these two matrices means what here? Difference between two matrices, that means corresponding elements must be subtracted, which is equal to 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, which is, sorry, this is the value 3 cancel, which is equal to 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. Next, 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 7 minus 7. Corresponding positions must be subtracted. 7 minus 7, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Which is the null matrix or zero matrix, which is denoted by O, which is the order 3 cross 3. Null matrix or zero matrix.